Hello, my name is Sam and welcome to Brain Tech. In this video, I will show you the best ChatGPT Chrome extensions. To start, open your internet browser in your desktop. On your internet browser, search for Chrome Web Store. In here, select the link that says chrome.google.com. On the search bar on the left corner, search for ChatGPT for Google. And then on the right corner, you will see the search results. You could also switch it up to ChatGPT. Then once you're now here, select ChatGPT for Google. As you can see, it's already added on my browser. On the search bar once again, you could also search for Merlin ChatGPT. In this tutorial, these are a lot of ChatGPT Chrome extensions, so just select one that you want. The other GPT AI is also Tactique ChatGPT. Just search these on the left corner on the search bar and then select one that you want to add in your internet browser. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.